Hello and welcome to the channel. If smoking was so bad, why do some live well into old age with no health issues? Let's dive into that perplexing phenomenon today. Imagine this. While we all know smoking can lead to a myriad of health issues, including lung cancer and heart disease, there exists a small subset of smokers who defy the odds and live into their 90s or even beyond. How is this possible? The answer isn't straightforward and involves a mix of genetics, lifestyle choices, and perhaps a bit of sheer luck. First off, genetics play a crucial role. Certain people have genetic variations that provide a level of protection against the harmful effects of smoking. These genetic factors might influence how their bodies metabolize toxins and repair tissue damage. Next, let's consider lifestyle. It's not just about whether someone smokes, it's also about how much they smoke, their diet, exercise routines, and overall health management. Some long-lived smokers might lead otherwise very healthy lives, balancing out some of the negative impacts of smoking. Furthermore, access to healthcare cannot be overlooked. Regular checkups and early detection of potential health issues can make a significant difference. Those who catch diseases early can manage them more effectively, increasing their chances of a longer life despite smoking. Lastly, the element of luck or random chance should not be underestimated. Some individuals might just be luckier than others when it comes to the health repercussions of their habits. It's important to note, however, that these are rare exceptions. The vast majority of smokers do face serious health risks, and the best choice for health is to not smoke at all, or to quit if you currently do. These stories of long-lived smokers should not be seen as a green light to continue or start smoking. Rather, they offer us intriguing insights into the complex interplay of genetics, lifestyle, and luck in determining our overall health and longevity. So, next time you hear about someone who smoked their entire life and lived to be 100, remember, they are the exception, not the rule. And if you're looking to maximize your own health and longevity, focusing on maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key. Quit smoking, eat well, stay active, and get regular health checks. That's the formula that's much more likely to lead to a long and healthy life. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.